Hi everybody, this is Mr. Lan again from HeroesMart Homeschool Academy. I want to thank you for coming to class today. We're going to have a good time together. So we're going to be doing a song titled Dependable Song, and it may be found on page number 42 of your grade 1 music workbook from HeroesMart Homeschool Academy. Let's begin with a word of prayer. Father, I thank you for your many mercies in our lives today. I thank you for the students and their parents that are going to be watching with me today. I'm asking you, Father, please give them peace and joy, especially in these trying times all over the world. I'm asking for the students, oh Lord, give them quick hearts so they can retain everything that's going to be taught in this lesson today, and all of that to the praise of your glory, in the name of Jesus. Amen. All right. You're excited to be in class with me today to learn some fun stuff about music? Well, I'm excited. I bet you are. All right, so we're going to be doing the simple song, and I'm going to sing the song firstly to you. Then I'm going to show you how to sing the song with tonic-solfa notation. Then I'm going to play the song on the piano, and you just repeat along with me, and you practice it over and over and over again. Reference your workbook. The lyrics are going to be in there. The tonic-solfa notations are going to be in there. The videos are there for you, so you should just be a master of it. Okay, all right, so here goes the song. Okay, it goes like, I am dependable, I am dependable. You can count on me. Pretty simple, right? Let's do it again. I am dependable, I am dependable. You can count on me. Great, did you get that? All right, so let's sing the song in tonic-solfa notation. Okay, here it goes. Mi, mi, fa, mi, re, do, so, la, so, mi, re. So, do, re, do. Pretty simple and easy, right? Let's do it again. All right. Mi, mi, fa, mi, re, do, so, la, so, mi, re. So, do, re, do. Great, good work. All right, I believe you got it. So let's try to play the song on the piano. All right, pretty easy, right? Let's do it again. All right, great, good work. I believe you got that with me. Thanks for coming to class today. The class certainly will not be the same without you. And until next time, I want to say bye-bye. I'll be your hero's buddy, and as you study with HeroesMart,